Hello, I'm going to be attempting to make a lower calorie version of banana pudding. We're starting off with 2 cups of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Now you're probably wondering, why is he doing voiceovers? Well, it's simple really. I don't have a mic, but I will be getting one soon. I should probably mention, you should get like a big bowl to mix all these ingredients in with. But next you want to grab a whole can of fat-free sweetened condensed milk and just add it all in. Did he just look like a nappy? Relax. It's just a lid. Next, grab a packet of 0 sugar instant vanilla pudding. Add it to the bowl and just give it a mix. I was mixing for a while and I started to get worried because I didn't know how long to mix it. So I did start reading the instructions. Just mix it for around like 5 minutes and then put it in the fridge. Then grab another bowl. I picked up this Prairie Heavy whipping cream. It was the lowest calorie serving I could find. You want to add 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream into the bowl. That's a lot of calories. You want to know what has 0 calories? 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener. Add that to your bowl. After that, get out your vanilla extract and just add 2 teaspoons of it into the bowl. I don't know if I added a little too much. I'm going to be really honest with you. But it's okay! After you have all your ingredients in there, you want to get your electric mixer and start mixing it up for about maybe 10 minutes until you get at least a nice firm texture, like a whipped cream texture. And you would also like to put that in the fridge for about 5 minutes. Next, you want to cut up 4 bananas. Oh my gosh,
wow,
that's so cool. Don't worry, I'm a trained professional. I did slice up 4 bananas into thin slices. After you sliced up those bananas, take out your 2 bowls that have been chilling in the fridge for a while and fold them into each other. Here's where the fun part begins. Get out your favorite pan or container and add your first layer. I did pick up these Kinnikinnick vanilla wafers, and then you can stack them however you want. I just stacked the pudding and then the wafers and then pudding and then bananas, but you can stack it to your pleasing. And to make it look nicer, grab the remaining wafers, crush them up, and just spread it across the container or pan that you're using. I'll be putting the ingredients in the description below. I hope you guys did enjoy this voiceover, and like I said, I will be getting a mic soon, so I won't be doing as many voiceovers in the future. And this is only one of many recipes I'm going to try to make low calorie. I will try to find another way to make this even more low calorie. While doing these voiceovers, I was very humbled, I will tell you that, but there you have it. And I hope you guys did enjoy this voiceover and this video, but that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.